Hello, hello. Welcome to Wellness 101. If you don't know me yet, my name is Erin Holland. I am the founder of Ivy+Light, which is my brand new wellness community online, a place to make wellness accessible and affordable for everyone. This has been a passion project of mine, and as I'm saying this to you on June 1st of 2018, it is coming to fruition, and this is one of the first steps for that, and I'm super excited about it. You may also know me from Lulame Design. I am the owner of that brand. I am the crystal jewelry designer behind that, the Reiki healer behind that. I'm also a life coach and a teacher. I wear many hats. But what I'm here today to tell you about is this new free Facebook group. So I've had on my heart for a while, what was the best way for me to bring to you guys a way to look at all of your options in terms of healing methods, to look at what all the options were and make an informed decision on what you wanted to do next. I teach about mainly crystals, Reiki, essential oils, intentional living, meditation, things of that nature that I'm very comfortable with within my own life. But you may not know which one of those is right for you. You may not have tried any of them. You may have tried a few and you're not sure what your next step is. And I want to make those available to you, the introductions to those, as well as other modalities that I may not be an expert in, but that I have other practitioners that can help you to learn more about. So that is where we're starting here. The way that you access all of these introductory classes is through the units on the left-hand side. So if you're on the left-hand side of the screen here, you'll see, it'll say things like about, discussion, and then units should be around the third thing. If you go to that, it is divided up into the introductory classes. Right now you can already access Crystals 101, Essential Oils 101, Meditation 101, Reiki is coming very soon, as well as Spirit Guides, I believe are our next two. But we're going to continue to add these in here so that you can take a look, go through the posts and the videos and the blogs that I have in there for you, read up all of this information so that you know, what is this all about? What is Reiki all about? What is aromatherapy all about? And decide whether this is the next step on your journey to wellness. And then once you have gone through that, if you decide that that is what you want to learn more about, you want to learn more about Reiki, you want to learn more about meditation, then I would encourage you highly to go to ivyandlight.com. This is our brand new website. As of today, as I'm saying this, it's going to be coming very soon next week. But if you're watching this on the replay, just go to ivyandlight.com and you can see all of the tools that we have for healing, the jewelry that we have, the accessories that we have, the crystal grids that we have, and also the practitioners who are there to do distance Reiki healing, to do coaching, to do training, to help you get what you need to take the next step on your journey. And the whole point of Ivy+Light is to make it accessible, and by that I mean for you to feel comfortable to come here to maybe know nothing about one of these modalities, to learn about it and to say, yes, I want to learn more, and to feel like it's okay to be wherever you are in the world and wherever you are in terms of your wellness and take that next step, and that we have loving mentors, loving teachers, loving healers that are there to help you along your journey. Also, I want to keep it affordable for you. And so if you decide to take the next step, you can go to the website. You can see what the different coaching and the different teaching that we offer. You can also join my other Facebook group, which is called Onward and Upward. And that is my group coaching group. It is my joy, my happy place. It is where I have a whole bunch of wonderful human beings who are committed to taking one step forward at a time, to transforming their lives, to taking on the challenges that I give them, to learning what I have to teach, to inspiring themselves and others as well as me, and to take a step every day towards their own personal transformation, towards their own personal growth. And to keep that as affordable as possible, that is less than $5 a month to be in that group, to join us on a new focus every month. So I want you guys to be able to start here, no strings attached, just see what there is that you can learn, and then make that informed decision about what the next step is for you on your own personal journey. And if you have any questions as you go through these units, you can comment just like a regular post. You can message me. You can do a post in this group. find a way to contact me. Ask me any questions that you have. I will direct you as best I can and answer the questions as soon as I can. And tell your friends. If you have a friend who is interested in wellness or that you think should be, or in natural healing, if you want to start a conversation within your group of friends, add them into this group, totally free. They can come, they can learn, they can argue back and forth with you. They can get you inspired to make changes within your own life. So the whole point of this is to spread the gift of wellness, the gift of finding your own healing journey and being encouraged to do so, to spread that to as many people as possible, no matter where in the world you live. So I offer this to you. I hope that you get a ton out of it, and I hope that it helps you make that next step on your journey. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Love and blessings to you all, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks, guys.